next topic, and this is totally new for you, I think, because in previous class you have not read this topic, and our today's topic is learn about HTML. You have heard the term HTML, hypertext markup language, but how to write or how to do code by using the HTML language. Now we are going to read about it and try to understand, because this is a new topic for you, so it make a little bit difficult to understand first of all, but also no problem. If you listen carefully, if you watch the video carefully, you will understand it, and I will clearly describe about this. So let's start. Learn about HTML. HTML, hypertext markup language, is one of the scripting languages used for developing the structure of web page. Have you heard the web page, website? Yes, you have read in, while reading the computer network, you read this term web page or website. Web page, it is the collection of internet. Web page is one of the online page or internet, the page which are present in online, and which contain the different types of document, text, audio, video, graphics, animation, images, and many other things in the web page. And website is the collection of many web pages. Yes or no? Okay, now we are going to read about how these web pages are structured or developed. By using the HTML language, these web pages are developed, we know. So we are going to learn about the HTML language. Okay, for that we have to know what is the importance of HTML. HTML can be used to display any types of document in web page. This language, HTML language, are one of the language that is used to display any types of documents in web page. Simply, HTML language is versatile language used in any platform. It is also one of the versatile language, that means used in different platform like as Windows, Mac, Linux, Apple, as well as many other platform. They are used, and similarly it helps in linking one web page with another. That means we have different web pages, and this HTML also helps you to link the web page with each other. It helps to add character formats. It also helps to add the character format like its text alignment, center, left, right, bold, italic, underline, and text color, background colors, and many other things. Similarly, it can include the sound, graphics, image, animation, and more. Also, it includes the sound, graphics, images, and animations in its language. Similarly, next we have HTML tags. Now, what are the tags? First of all, you have to know about it. Tags, the comment written inside the angle bracket that is less than and greater than, it is known as the tag. It is called HTML tags. That means whatever the comment that are written inside the angle bracket or less than or greater than bracket, that is called HTML tags. So the tags are also of two types. So in HTML, while learning about the HTML language, you have to know about the types of tag as well, and it has a single or empty tag. First one tag, it is called single or empty tag. What is it mean, I will tell you. And pairing tags, there are two types of tags, empty and pairing tag. Okay, now tags used in HTML. The types of tags used in HTML are empty tag. First of all, tag which does not have any closing tag and only opening tags. Such tags are called empty tag. That means having only opening tag but not having the closing tag, that is an empty tag. For example, it is given br, img, hr. This tag have only, this is the only opening tag, but here is no empty tag. Okay, pairing tags having both opening and closing tag are called pairing tag. For example, see there HTML, this is the opening tag, and closing tag. By using this symbol, backslash symbol, we write the closing tag inside the angle bracket. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Body has also the opening and closing tag. Okay, now next topic we have list of some tag used in HTML. Now what are the tags, example of tags used in HTML? Let's see here. HTML, head, title, body, p, table, form, label, br, that means href, image, src. These are the tags used in the HTML. What is the work of this tag? We will do practical and we will understand about it. HTML, it is the beginning tag. While writing the HTML code, you have to first write the HTML tag. Without it you cannot write HTML. So after that HTML, you will write the head, that means inside the HTML, see there is the head tag, and inside the head there will be title tag, and after head tag we have another tag, that is the body. And inside the body tag we will start the p, that means the paragraph tag, and table tag, form. If we will want to made any form, then we use the form tag. Inside the form tag we have the label tag, and br means page break tag or paragraph break tag. A means the linking, to make the link between the two pages, one and another page. We use the a tag, that is called the linking tag. And href, it has its properties. href to take the source of the another page to make its link. And image, img, image means img means we have to, if we want to add any image inside it, then use image tag. And inside the image tag we have this src. It is this always src always present with the img tag. If we write img tag, we have to write the src tag, because src means the source, from which source we are going to take out the image, and we have to write here path or location from where we are obtaining that image. Okay, some other tag are also here, es1, es2, s3. These are the font level heading style tag. These are called the heading style tag. Heading style start from s1 to s5. We will see it. And next one is the bui, sub and sup. That means b means b tag is for making the text bold, u is for underline, making the text underline. You have written the MS Word. And similarly I means making text italic, and sub means subscript. While writing h2, you have to write the 2 below the h, so we use the subscript, that is called the subscript. Shortcut it is called sub. And this is the superscript. While writing centimeter square, you have to write square in the top of centimeter cm. Then you have to use their sub, that means superscript. And styles, these tags are used for making different types of styles in the HTML. And attributes. Now attributes are what? Attributes, it is the value given to the properties of the tag for making style. Now attributes are those things which are used for making styles in the HTML document, like style like is color, background color, height, width, and many other things we use is the style in the HTML. Like is align, also there is given, this is also the style. Okay, now next one, same the way we have basic syntax of HTML code. After learning about the HTML, we have the basic syntax. Now in basic syntax you have to see here, you have to write the code like this. This is one of only the syntax. Now see here how the syntax is presented. First of all, you have to write the HTML, and inside the HTML we have two tags. First one is the head tag, and then we have the body tag. And inside the head tag we are writing title, and inside the body tag whatever the content we have to write all the content inside the body tag. And these all contents are inside the body tag. And head tag, inside the head tag only there is the title, only there should be title, or whatever the style we are going to declare, that style should also be inside the head tag. and this title will display in the top of the browser URL part. This is the title part, and this the body is main content, main part of the document. This is the content, whatever the content you add, these all content are stored in the body part. So we have two part inside the HTML. This is HTML, and inside HTML this is our head part. This is our head part. Now we are going to do it by practically. Now how to do HTML code in your computer. Now let's see. Okay, first of all we need text editor. For example, when you are doing QBasic program, then in computer you have one software called QB. Same the way here for doing HTML code also we need text editor, and text editor are many type. There is Notepad as well as Sublime Text and many other, Visual Studio Code. These are the advanced one. So basically we are going to use here Notepad, and in Notepad we are going to write code, and in a browser, any browser like is this Google Chrome, this one browser Opera Max, and this one Internet Explorer, any other browser you can open with that code to execute your code and to see the output. Okay, first of all you have to make one folder in the desktop. Now I'm going to make one folder in desktop, and like this, make one folder, make new, and go to the folder and write any name in the folder. Okay, I'm writing HTML. Okay. Oh, I have already one HTML file, so I am going to write HTML1. Okay, this is our folder. Now I am going to open Notepad. So how to open the Notepad? You will click on Windows button and R at the same time. Windows R, then the run command will open. Now you have to type here NOTEPAD Notepad. Yes. Now click on OK. Now the Notepad will open. Now here our Notepad is open. Now you have to save this file. Now you have to save this file. Go to Save As and write here name. First of all, I am going to write index index and .html. You have to write this .html. It is compulsory, because in QBasic file, while you are saving QBasic, you have to write that .vas or not. Same the way you have to write here .html also. And in save as type, you have to click here and you have to do all file. You have to do all file and then do no. After that, where is your file you have created just now in desktop? Yes or no? Click on desktop, and now in desktop you have file name called HTML1. Now click here, and after that do here save, because this is our location of the file, and inside this file we are going to save this document. So do save. Okay, now see here in your HTML1 file, this document is placed index. Yes or no? And when you do all file by using the .html, then it automatically detect the browser, and look here, the icon of browser is displayed here. Now let's do right click here and go to open with, and do click on Notepad. Now your Notepad will open. Now you have to write your code. So before writing code, you have to know, first of all you have to write HTML. Yes, HTML. Then after that you have to write under HTML we have two part or not. HTML is first which tag it is? Pairing tag. So you have to understand it. HTML is the pairing tag. So we have opening plus closing tag both. So use your closing tag /HTML. Yes or no? So opening tag plus closing tag. Now inside HTML we have two tags, that is head tag and body tag. So let's write head tag first of all. head tag, and head tag also have closing tag or na closing tag. So right here closing tag of head tag also. Similarly, after head tag we need body tag. Yes, body tag also have closing tag. So right here closing tag of body tag. Now let's come to the head tag, and inside the head tag we have the title tag. Inside head we have always title tag, always. Okay, title. Now inside the title write anything. This is okay, my first web page I'm writing here, and I'm closing the title tag same the way, because it is also pairing tag. Now our head part, work of head part finished. Now let's come to the body part. Now in body part, first of all, I'm going to give here to show you about the heading style. And heading style from h1, I'm starting h1. Okay, inside h1 what we have to write in h1. Now write. Okay, I am writing my name Bhagat. Okay, now h1 is also pairing tag, so you have to close h1 tag. Yes, this is. And if you want to write a h2, then also you can write here h2 tag and write again. Yes, same the way you have to close h2 tag also. If you have to write s3, then also write s3 again, same the way. I am going to copy paste it. Close s3, same the way h4 also. Close it, h4. Okay, this is our content. We have put some content inside the body part. Now let's see how this content are displayed. Now go to file and to save, and minimize this windows, and now open this one. To right click and to open. Now look here, your browser is opened. Now see, you have displayed your HTML code in browser. Now look here, here is we have written h1 to h4 tag. Now see here, while in h1 how this look like. In h1 this look like this, in h2 this look like this, and h3 this look like this. In smallest h4 smallest, if you write h5, then more small it will display. Okay, now title part that is displayed in top, we don't need it. It is usually displayed in the URL part. Okay, same the way, let's do another also. Our heading style is finished. Now only I am going to keep here h1 heading style only over here, other I am going to remove. And after h1 I am going to use Suman Bhagat I have written here. Now another I am going to use tag called paragraph. Okay, I am using the paragraph. In paragraph I am going to write anything. I am a boy. Okay, I read in class 7, comma, I am smart boy. I am 15 years old. Okay, this thing I have written in paragraph. Now let's close the paragraph. Our paragraph is also closed. Now do save it, and again open your browser. Now see here in the top there is given my first web page, which we have written in the title part. Here is displayed in the top part. And similarly, first of all, in body, this is our body content, and this in body content we have written here Usman Bhavati as one. Then in one paragraph we have written I am a boy, I read in class 7. This thing is displayed over here. So now again close this one, come to the notepad. Here is our notepad, and write here I am boy, and use here break tag, br tag. Okay, and what the br tag you do, and here you have to use underline tag. Now underline tag, you have to close the underline tag, because underline is the pairing tag, br is only empty tag. Now do save once again, and see here what is your output. Okay, see here your output, I am a boy. If we have used the break tag here, then it is breaked from this line and reached to next line. And we have used here I read in class 7 is underline u tag, so here is underline, and I am a smart boy. These are same. So no, same the way we are also going to add one picture over here. First of all, let's after head I am going to add picture, that is image img tag, and by using the src we are going to add the location of image, and this image is the singular tag, so we need image first of all. Now we are going to minimize this one, and we are opening our folder desktop. Here is our folder. Yes, now I am going to copy one image. I'm going to picture. I have one image. Okay, I am using this image. I'm going to copy this. Yes, and I'm coming back to my folder. Here is our folder, and I'm going to paste this image here. And this is our image. Now you have to see the properties of image. Okay, these are properties of image. Here the image name is screenshot 86, and the types of file is png png file it is. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to write this name of this image. Okay, I'm going to copy this name. Wait, screenshot 86. Yes, screenshot 86. Okay, I'm opening here, and I'm writing here screen screen screenshot what is there, 86, and at last we have to add, what we have to add, png we have to add here, because this is our file type is png, so we are going to add here png. And now we are going to save it, and now we are going to open our browser, and we have to see there whether the image is loading or not. See here, something went wrong, so the image not working. Okay, now open your notepad and try to match it. screen screen shot 86. Oh, here is slightly bit mistake. Okay, now it is correct. Now do save again, open it. Again something went wrong. Now let's see. Okay, let's here is one space, so we missed that space, and now let's try this one, and I'm going to save this one file, and I'm going to open this one, and let's see what happened. Okay, boom, this appear. See here, your picture appear. but the size of the picture is too much large. Yes, you want to decrease the size and also it is okay, so you have to use your style. Now I'm going to now open my notepad, and I'm going to use here style, that means height of the picture. Height, set the height HEI GST height. It is one of the attribute. Height equals to, I'm going to give here 300, only 300, and width 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 equals to, also I'm going to give here 300. Now do save and open your browser and see it. Open your browser and your image is loading. Now you will see the image. Yes, your image look like this. Look here, it is decreased in the size. So no, same the way I'm going to add something in the body part, and I'm going to add some item in the listing wise. By the listing wise I'm going to add some item, and listing order also we have the tag that is called OL and UL. OL means order list and UL means on order list. Order means by listing the item by using 1 2 3 4 or ABCD, and on order list by using the bulleting. In order list we use the number, and in on order list we use the bullet. So I'm going to use on order list. First of all, on order list is our one tag, and on order list also have the closing tag that is called UL, closing tag. Now inside the on order list we are going to list out some item by using the LI. LI item is our listing item, and LI we are going to list here. Okay, first of all I'm going to list home, and then LI is close. Similarly, again the LI, and LI I am going to use contact LI close, LI also close. I'm going to copy paste this, and I'm using here again and for LI I have used here. Okay, now you have to do, what you have to do is here that you have to change the name. Okay, friends, FRIENDS, friends I have written here, and I have written here school. Okay, I'm going to write a school, friends, contact and home. This is your list of order list, on order list, sorry. Okay, you have make this one list, and now we are going to save it. And now see here how this display. Save it and open this. See here, your order list item are displayed like this. Same the way another for using the link, how to use the link, and I am going to use here link for LI a href equals to any link source you have to add here, and after link you have to you have to add this link in here. After li a href equals to any colon, and to close this tag. After contact you have to close this tag. In contact, you are going to write here in contact you are going to give your link in contact, so you have to cover this contact with the link A and close this link. Now see here how this will appear. Okay, go to save and open this one. See here, you have added the link in contact. Now see here, your color of the contact is changed, and also when you put your mouse pointer here, the shape of mouse pointer is also going changing. And when you click here, now look here, nothing is happening because we don't have any page over here. But in other list we are not having any arrow like symbol. See here, because this in this list we have not used the link, so these are passive and this is only active because we have make a list, and this list means we are going to move towards the next page, that means the contact page. What the contact page we have made, when you click on this link, then we move towards the next page, because we have made the door for entering into the next page. Okay, for today only this much, student, because our video is also too much long, and next day we will continue same thing, and you have to practice at home for this thing, how to set up first of all the HTML code, and how to display this, and how to open the files in notepad and copy it and save it. And you will do it, try it, and next class again I will show the remaining things. Thank you.